I would suggest that the first goal of any good salesperson is to be liked. Why?
Because we like you.
Because when they like you, they trust you. If I like you, I'm more likely to buy from you. But when does the customer decide whether or not they like us? Here's a hint. It's much sooner than you think. Today on the 5-Minute Sales Training, we're going to talk about how to gain trust and build rapport faster. Well, welcome back, everyone, to another 5-Minute Sales Training, where this week we're going to talk about how to gain trust and build rapport faster. And I'm going to turn it over to Shore Consulting trainer Michelle Bendien to share with us her strategies for this incredibly important goal. Michelle?
Thanks, Jeff. A study by Princeton University found that people make judgments as to whether or not someone is trustworthy, confident, and likable within 1 second of seeing their face. And trustworthiness clocking in at an incredible 1/10 of a second. 1/10 of a second.
Wow, that was fast.
Doesn't seem fair, does it? So what happens if we don't make a good first impression? Then what? Well, according to a study by Harvard University, it can take up to 8 subsequent positive encounters to change a negative impression. What do you think? Do you think we're going to get that chance? Probably not.
Give me another chance.
So now what? Well, it means that we need to start strong in order to finish strong. We need to start preparing for our customers' next visit before they walk through our door. And at Shore Consulting, we like to talk about the critical 12 seconds, the 5 seconds before someone walks through your door and the 7 seconds after someone walks through your door. So let's start with the 5. What should we be doing? We should be on our feet and moving. Why? Because have you ever walked into a place of business to find the salesperson sitting down? What sort of impression did that leave you with? Something along the lines of, what?
Can't you see I'm busy?
Not a good first impression, is it? So we want to be on our feet and moving because movement equals energy. And when it comes to energy, there are 3 types. There's positive energy, negative, and neutral energy. Well, we all know that we're not supposed to have negative energy with a customer, but let's be honest, there are times where we get some bad news. I mean, maybe we have an appointment that cancels, or worse, a contract. Or maybe we're on the phone with an angry customer and all of a sudden a customer pulls into the parking lot. Guess what? The show must go on, and that person that's about to walk through the door deserves your very best self. So what's your mental preparation or personal mantra to allow you to start strong? Maybe it's time to sell a home, or it's showtime, or it's time to change someone's world. It's up to you. But a personal mantra can help give you good energy and enthusiasm. After all, next to negative energy, the only thing worse is meeting someone and talking to someone who has neutral energy. You know the person I'm talking about, right? You know, the person that's just kind of there. Do you remember the cartoon, Charlie Brown cartoon growing up, and the school teacher in the background talking the boring, neutral energy? Your customer needs you to have good, positive energy. And what about the 7 seconds after someone walks through your door? What's your go-to greeting? If it's, "Hi, how can I help you?" Or, "What brought you out today?" Those greetings need to be retired. You can do better than that. We need to make our customers feel welcome, special. After all, they're guests to our home. Express gratitude for their visit. Introduce yourself. Ask their name and use it. And don't be afraid to engage in a little friendly conversation before you get down to business. After all, your customer may really welcome this, as this will be vastly different than the experience they've been encountering at other sales centers. And don't forget to have good facial posture and body language, and make good eye contact, also important. Your goal is to become coffee worthy. Coffee worthy is a term we like to use at Shore Consulting, and it's a goal that within a couple minutes worth of time, your customer should like you and trust you enough that they would be willing to go and have a cup of coffee with you.
You want to grab a cup of coffee?
So think about it. What are some characteristics of someone you would go have a cup of coffee with? Someone who's friendly, who's interested, a good listener. All characteristics of someone who's coffee worthy. Don't underestimate the importance and the power of likability and that good rapport building from the start. Likability is a key component in trustworthiness. And if I like you and I trust you, I'm more inclined to slow down and answer your questions. I'm more inclined to allow you to influence and persuade me. I'm more inclined to share my story with you. And if you know my story as a buyer, you will know me so well that I will tell you how to sell me a home. And that's the power of a strong introduction. It allows you to go out there and change someone's world.
Thanks, Michelle. It is so critical that we gain that trust with our buyers right away. It makes us so much more effective when we do. Hey, listen, if you're enjoying the 5-Minute Sales Training, make sure you like each and every episode and subscribe. We want to get these videos out to more salespeople. Until next time, my friends, learn more to earn more.